Hello, welcome back to the today's session is analysis of forensics analysis of email. Forensics analysis of email. What do you mean by analysis? Analyzing before going to collecting the data, we are going for analyze based on forensics. So now in this, it defines as a process of preservations and identification, extraction of whatever is coming before going to extract. Before going to extract the data, you are going to analyze the data. So now in this, forensics are will be using for erasing or deleting emails. So now in this, it consists of header analysis. It consists of header analysis, back tactics, server investigations, and next one is network device investigation. Coming back to header analysis. First point is header analysis. So in the header analysis, why we are going for header analysis? So now in this, it consists of a metadata. So in the metadata, we are going to control all the record information. So that envelopes headers, including headers and including the messages are will be there in the message format, message body. Message body. So header format. So now in this header format, we are going to identify before going to this what will happen. So now in the before going to this, what will happen in the forensics? A source of before going to forensics analysis, before going to the header analysis, first we are going to email forensics or will be going to identify the what is the source study the source, and along with the what is the content will be belongs to the email, and those are will be going to give the evidence to identifying the actual sender as well as, and along with receipts of messages are will be coming from the sender side or not. All the source we have to identify and extract the data from which is coming from the email. So it consists of which will be this study will involves along with investigation. This study involves with investigations along with the metadata. It consists of a metadata along with a keyboard searching in the forensics analysis. We are going for it involves the investigations along with the meta investigation will be done along with the metadata, and the keywords are will be going for searching based upon the key. We are identifying which type of email hacking will be done. So now what are the port, based upon the ports are scanning port numbers, and for authorshipping and attributions and identification of emails, those are things that will be done in the forensics analysis. So now in this various approaches are will be going to use email. So first one is header analysis. So in the header analysis, the name says a header. It contains headers and envelopes and headers, including headers in the message body. Message, whatever the messages are coming in the email, searching the email through the files, image files. So through this header will be there. So in the data, metadata will be there. In that metadata, email messages are will be going to control the information that consists in the message body. So now in this, what will happen means some of them a detailed analysis will be going for this header analysis. It will gives a detailed analysis as well as what is going in the headers, what is going in the headers, what is performed in the header analysis. All those data will be stored in the header analysis. Now next is coming the next point is back tactic. So in the back tactic means investigation of emails investigation will be done through the investigators. So analysis will be there. So forensics are will be based upon the analysis, based upon the technology, based upon the techniques, based upon the programs and certifications. We are going for investigations through email. So now here we are using HTTP protocol, hypertext transfer protocols, which consists of email source. So now it containing the IP address, that consists of IP addresses consists of sending the emails from the sender. A sender will be done based upon the under investigation will be done from the sender side. So it records all the HTTP servers hosting the image and sender is tracked. All the things are will be done in the tactics. So now in this, if the proxy it contains a log, or it contains in this tactics, server will contain log or proxy servers will be there. So that will be used to identifying the investigation will be done under the investigation by the sender. So now if the proxies or servers are will be going for tactic mode, so emails are will be contained and embedded systems, embedded Java applets, and that runs in the receiver computers. So now HTML pages, and along with it contains whatever the objectives are will be there, X object is active or not. So based on the active objects they are going to hack the proxy. So now next is both are ready to extract the data, extract IP addresses and recover the computers and emails, recover the computers and emails to the investigators. So now third point is server investigation. In the server investigation, it says that in this investigation, a copies of delivered emails and servers logs are investigated. Emails are will be there and login servers are will be there. Log servers are invested to identify the source of email messages. So which email is coming or not properly, those are will be identified through the investigation by the server. So in this, emails are going for recovery. If it is impossible to request it for me, requested messages are will be coming, request is coming but client is not getting the response from the server. So instead of middle person, a proxy ISPs are will be coming. So internet ISP stands for internet service providers, which are used to identify the most of the store. It stores the copies along with emails, it stores IPS, it stores the copies, and along with emails they are ready to study that trace the address of the computers and responsible for making email transactions. And along with that, some limited periods and some may or not be cooperate with investigators. Then we are using SMTPs, simple mail transfer protocols. We are using that servers are will be going to store the data like credit card data information and credit card numbers, and other data is permitted to the mailbox or not, another mailbox or not, which are used to identify the person, what is happening, the person behind the mail address. All those things are will be under investigated by the server itself. The next point is network device investigation. The name says network in net, based upon the routers, firewalls and switches. All those things are used to investigate. So in this form of email investigation logs are maintained by the network devices, such as we will use firewalls, routers, switches, hubs, all those things. The source of email messages. So the main thing is whatever the information is coming through the network, we are going for hack the data through email. So now whatever the source of email messages, this is form of investigation. If the complex investigation will be complex, so now we are going to identify what logs of servers and proxy ISPs are which are unavailable to understand what is going in the some reasons. For example, if you want to take ISPs, internet service providers or proxies, does not maintain the log or log of cooperations are will be done, and whatever the failures are will be maintained a chain or process giving the evidence. through the network. Logging issues are will be coming, any failures are will be coming, and cooperation will be giving. Lack of cooperation by the ISPs, internet service providers, those are does not maintaining log. So that is also giving the evidence for hacking the data through the investigators. So now next is forensic analysis of email. Forensic analysis of email. Forensic forensic analysis of email. So now the same thing, it says that email forensics are refers to study of source and contain emails, and from the emails you are going for evidence to identify the what is the actual sender you will be sending based upon the receipt of messages and what time and what data is transmitted in the transmission media through the network cable, through the routers, through the switches. All the details are will be recorded through the email transactions which are intended to send it or not. Those things are will be identified in the email forensics. So now coming to software embedded identifiers. So in the software, the name says software identifies some information about the creator of who are creator, auditor, creator of emails, attached files or documents. So whatever the it consists of a files, that files are will be attachment files, and documents are will be going to including some messages and emails, and software will be used to sending and composing those emails. So that will be done in the software embedded identifiers. So now in this what will happen means, here headers are describes. In this software embedded identifiers, identifying means headers are will be including. So it describes the applications and what are their versions, along with that what are the clients which are versions and which client will be using and sending the mails, and this information is about client is sending or not, and which is used to help the investigator or not, and whether it is an effective plan and it is proves by it is very useful or not. All those things are will be identified with the help of header. So now coming to sender mail fingerprinter. So the name says based upon the fingerprinter, we are identifying based on the mailer, sender mailer fingerprints, identification of software handling, software identifying the software which is happening with handling with happens with emails at a server side. The server can be extracted and reveal the received information from the header format, header field. So that information will be having emails at a client can be explained by the different set of headers. Like we can use X mailers, or we can call it as equivalent mailers. So now in this, what will happen means all those things are will be ready to hack the data. Ready to hack the data. Now next is email forensics tools. So now in this we will use the next slide is email tracer. So now in this email tracer, the name says email tracers. It is a we used for trace. The name says trace. Emails are will be going for mail. Certain messages are will be going for track the day track the system network any machines. So now in this we have to trace one center based upon the resources center. So now India is giving the effort for the forensics, cyber forensics. A center will be created, that is called it a RCCF, that is stands for resource center for cyber forensics, which is there in India. It is India only affected, put a lot of effort on this. So now premier is Center for Cyber Forensics in India. So now in this, which is based upon the cyber forensics tools, it develops the tools based upon the tools and whatever they're based on the requirements. A law enforcement agencies will be generated based upon the tracer. So now next is MIG Tactor.